Hello, I'm AJ. Please come in and have a seat. I have stories to tell you. This is the world of folklore and magic. Grab yourself a drink and sit by the fire, and we'll get started. I'm from Nova Scotia, the northernmost point in the mountain range of Appalachia in the Western Hemisphere. I'm a mutt of Europe and Canada heritage-wise, Anglo-Saxon, Scottish, Irish, Welsh, Acadian French, and possibly Indigenous Louisianan. That's to be determined. I grew up in a house built by my grandfather from an existing cabin. We had horses, chickens, turkey ducks, and all kinds of animals around all the time. That changed as I grew, but I'll talk about that later. I remember having the run of the woods and lakes nearby my home. It was full of magic and all kinds of things to do. My attraction to magic was always there. What I now know as magic was just everyday part of life. Candle magic on nights when storms knocked out the power, making tea from tea berries to settle a sour stomach, that trees talk to us, telling us when the weather is going to change soon, or making soup from ferns and burdocks when stuck in the woods. Simple things are more enchanting than you think, right? This is why I'm doing this show, to explore folklore and magic in all its forms. I'm starting with the Appalachian Range, from Scotland to Alabama. A good broad start, with a whole lot of influences and peoples involved. This is going to be a journey, so join me for the world of folklore and magic. There will be stories, interviews, recipes, and experiments. It's going to be fun. See you all in the new year.